This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play all Nintendo Switch games on Android. First, you will need to choose and install a compatible emulator for your device. Applications like Yuzu or Skyline are popular choices, but always ensure you download them from a trusted source. After installation, meticulously configure the emulator settings, adjusting graphics drivers and control mappings to suit your phone. This initial step is crucial for smooth gameplay. Next, you need to acquire the game files themselves, often referred to as ROMs. These usually come in NSB or XCI formats and can be quite large, sometimes upwards of 10 gigabytes for a single title. For legal and ethical reasons, we strongly recommend that you only use backups of games you personally own. Once acquired, transfer these large files to a clearly designated folder on your Android device, preparing them for the emulator. To achieve the best possible experience, optimize your Android device. We recommend a phone with at least 6 gigabytes of RAM and a powerful 8-core processor for smooth performance. For superior control, connect an external Bluetooth controller. It vastly improves precision compared to touchscreen inputs. Additionally, adjust your phone's performance settings to a high-performance mode, dedicating maximum resources to the emulator. Remember, this intensive process will significantly drain your device's battery. Finally, understand that performance can vary significantly between games and different Android devices. If you experience slow frame rates or unexpected crashes, begin by updating your emulator and graphics drivers to their latest versions. Many online communities and forums offer invaluable advice for specific game settings or common troubleshooting issues. Patience and a willingness to experiment with various configurations are essential for enjoying a vast library of Nintendo Switch games on your mobile phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.